0. Fifth example, find the coordinates of point A, B, C, D, E, F, G. This is a radius 10, x0, y0. This is the starting point, origin, x0, y0. 18 by 16 for this, A and B and C, D, E, F, G, H. For this, for coordinates A, x 0.0, y 10.0, B, x 0.0, y 15.0, C, x 10.0, y 16.0, D, x 17.0, y 16.0, E, x 18.0, y 15.0, F, x 18.0, y 10.0, G, x 17.0, y 0.0, H, x 10.0, y 0.0.